Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your brand photos using Canva background remover correctly. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by opening Canva in your preferred web browser. Log into your account or create a new one if you haven't already. Once you are on the Canva homepage, click on the Create a Design button in the top right corner. Select the Custom Dimensions option to enter your specific photo size. Input the width and height, then click on the Create New Design button. Next, locate the Uploads tab on the left-hand side menu. Click on the Upload Files button to import your brand photos. Choose the image you want to restore from your device and upload it. Once the upload is complete, click on the image to add it to your design. With the image selected, navigate to the Edit Image tab in the top toolbar. Find the Background Remover option and click on it. Wait a moment as Canva processes your image and removes the background. Review the result to ensure that the subject is clear and the background has been successfully removed. If needed, use the Erase and Restore brushes to refine the image further. Adjust the brush size according to your requirements for precise editing. Carefully brush over areas where you want to erase or restore content. Once you are satisfied with the image, click outside the editing box to finalize your changes. Now, you can enhance your photo by adding a new background or further visual elements. To add a background, go to the Elements tab and search for suitable backgrounds. Drag and drop your chosen background onto the canvas. Position the background layer behind your subject by right-clicking and selecting Send to Back. Adjust the size and alignment to ensure your photo. If you want to apply additional effects, explore the options available in the Filters or Adjust sections. Once you are happy with the overall design, click the Download button in the top right corner. Select your desired file type and click the Download button again. Your restored brand photo is now ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.